Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, let's open the Start menu and let's open Settings. Then in Settings, go to Accounts section on the sidebar and navigate down to Other Users menu, open it, and then click Add Account. Then if you want to add an account with another Microsoft account, then enter the email or phone number of another person that also has a Microsoft account. Then proceed by entering the password to their Microsoft account and then create a password for them, PIN codes or passcode or whatever, so that they can sign in into their Windows account. And that will be it. Now, if you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person sign in information below. You will be transferred to the page where you can create a Microsoft account for this person. So if you want to create it, go ahead and enter their new email, email address. And if you want to get a new email address, proceed with get a new email address right here. Or if you want to create an account locally, select Add without a Microsoft account. And now enter the username for this user. Let it be user2. Then let's create a password for them. Then enter it once again. Basically, you don't have to do this. You can just click Next and proceed. But if you want to secure their account, create a password for them, and then select some security questions so that they can recover their access in case they forget their password. So here we have the list of sample security questions. Just select 3 and then enter the answer to them, and make sure that you either remember them or maybe write them down somewhere so that to easily recover the access to the account. So let me enter some random answers. And then click Next to proceed, and their account will be created. Now, to switch to their account, tap on the Start button, then tap on your account, then click the 3 icons in the top right corner of this mini window and select their account. Now, in order to remove their account, you just have to go to the Accounts / Other Users menu once again, then expand their account menu and select Remove. Before removing their account, make sure to sign out of their account on your laptop, because without signing out of their account, you will not be able to remove it. So once you select Remove, click Delete Account and Data, and their account will be removed from your PC. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.